Chemistry plays a vital role in the field of material science, revolutionizing the way we understand and manipulate materials. The intricate relationship between chemistry and material science has paved the way for countless innovations and advancements in various industries. From the creation of new materials to the improvement of existing ones, chemistry has truly made a significant impact. One of the key areas where chemistry has influenced material science is in the development of new materials. Through chemical synthesis and analysis, scientists have been able to create novel materials with unique properties and characteristics. For example, polymers, which are chemical compounds made up of repeating units, have revolutionized industries such as plastics, textiles, and even medicine. By manipulating the chemical structure of polymers, scientists can engineer materials with specific properties such as strength, flexibility, and heat resistance. This has opened up a world of possibilities for the creation of high-performance materials used in a wide range of applications. Chemistry has also played a crucial role in improving existing materials. By understanding the chemical composition and behavior of materials, scientists can develop innovative techniques to enhance their performance. One example is the field of nanotechnology, where materials are manipulated at the atomic or molecular level to achieve superior properties. Through methods like surface coating and doping, scientists can modify the surface properties of materials to improve their strength, durability, and conductivity. This has led to the development of advanced materials used in electronics, energy storage, and even biomedical applications. Furthermore, chemistry has enabled the discovery and understanding of new material properties. By studying the chemical reactions and interactions within materials, scientists can uncover hidden properties that can be utilized in various applications. For instance, the field of catalysts, which are substances that speed up chemical reactions, has led to the development of more efficient and sustainable processes in industries like petroleum refining, pharmaceutical production, and environmental remediation. Understanding the chemistry behind these catalysts allows scientists to optimize their performance, leading to more sustainable and cost-effective processes. In conclusion, chemistry is a driving force behind the advancements in material science. Through the creation of new materials, the improvement of existing ones, and the discovery of new properties, chemistry has transformed the way we develop and utilize materials. The impact of chemistry on material science applications is undeniable, and it continues to shape the future of materials and their diverse applications in various industries.